Your paintbrushes will become a mess over time. I already finished this second. My brushes, are real old. I've had them for about 7-8 years. Some of them. This is my trick. Oil and water. 2 seconds. Then you're going to wrap it with press and seal. Wrap it tightly. Wrap the way it is. With press and seal. Wrap it around nice and tight. Leave it in the case overnight. And you'll see if the brushes will be like new. I'll show you what this one looks like after it's done. Just a few seconds. In the water. Nothing's gonna happen to the brush. It's almost as if you follow your brush. And lay it down. Let's it down. And seal it. Particularly the thin ones. See the hairs? All around. It's nice and tight. Neat covalent. So the brushes are ready. They dried overnight. Well, I actually even left them a little longer than overnight. And see. Look at this. Like, there's no fraying. Just pull it right up. And this is right back to what it was when it started. No fraying. So I want that. It's real good. Okay. Perfect. Oh, the brushes that I frayed the most that lost their shape were the thinner ones. And he's king just like no.